Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Sipena, the Asisten Praktikum registration system of Telkom University, as known as Sistem Informasi Pendaftaran Aspra. On the landing page, to begin, the student login using their registration email or username and password. Sipena ensures secure access for every user. If a user forget their password, the system provides an easy recovery process after logging in. The job list page displays all available practicum assistant openings. Students can click detail to learn more. On the detail page, applicants can review full information about the practicum assistant role, including responsibilities, schedule, and registration deadline. If the role matches their interest, they can process to apply or add it to cart. To begin the registration process, students are required to upload two documents: their academic transcript and their current class schedule. After uploading both files, Sipena performs an automatic schedule matching process. The feature checks whether the applicant's class schedule conflicts with the practicum schedule. If no conflict is found, the system confirms that the applicant's schedule is compatible with the practicum. The student can continue by clicking process to registration. If a conflict is detected, the system notifies the student and prevents future registration. The student may upload a corrected schedule or choose a different practicum position. Once the requirements are complete and the student matches, the student can submit their application. Sipena then displays a confirmation message stating that the application has been successfully stamped. After submitting, applicants can monitor their progress through the My Status page. Here, Sipena provides a step-by-step visual progress. Users can also manage their personal information through the profile page. Sipena aims to make the practicum assistant registration process easier, faster, and more transparent. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, if Sipena helping students grow through hand-on teaching experience.